What if I told you that right now, you could be carrying secret messages without knowing it? And what if I told you every time you copy text online and paste it somewhere else, you might be spreading invisible instructions, hidden codes, or classified information you cannot see? Welcome back to Tech Sky. Today, we are diving into text steganography, the art of hiding secret messages inside normal-looking text. Unlike encryption that scrambles your message into obvious gibberish screaming, "I have a secret," steganography hides the very existence of the secret itself. The text appears completely legitimate. It reads like ordinary conversation. It passes content filters. It works on every platform. But hidden inside is a message only the intended recipient can reveal. Before we begin, I need to make something absolutely clear. Everything demonstrated in this video is strictly for educational purposes only. The knowledge you are about to gain comes with significant responsibility. Text steganography tools are designed for privacy protection, secure communication, and bypassing censorship in oppressive regimes. However, using these techniques to hide malicious content, evade law enforcement, or facilitate illegal activities is not only unethical, but illegal in many jurisdictions. Use this knowledge to protect your privacy and understand covert communication methods, never to harm others. So how does invisible text actually work? To understand this, we need to talk about Unicode. Unicode is the universal character encoding standard that allows computers to represent text from every writing system in the world. English letters, Chinese characters, Arabic script, mathematical symbols, emoji. Everything you see on screen is represented by Unicode. But here is what most people do not know. Unicode contains thousands of characters that are completely invisible. These are not spaces. These are not line breaks. These are special formatting characters designed for complex text rendering in languages like Arabic and Hebrew. Zero-width spaces that exist but take up no room. Zero-width joiners that connect characters in specific scripts. Zero-width non-joiners that prevent connections. These characters have no visual representation whatsoever. You cannot see them. They do not appear in text editors. They do not show up when you print. But they exist in the underlying data. Text steganography exploits these invisible characters. The technique converts your secret message into binary data, then represents that binary data as a sequence of invisible Unicode characters. These invisible characters are then embedded into your cover text, the normal-looking message everyone can see. The result is fascinating. The cover text looks exactly identical to the original. Same words, same punctuation, same meaning. But woven invisibly into that text is your secret message, represented as invisible zero-width characters that travel with the text wherever it goes. When you paste this steganographic text anywhere, the invisible characters travel with it. Open your terminal and make sure your system is updated. Type sudo apt update to refresh package lists, then sudo apt upgrade to install available updates. Now install Node.js package manager. Type sudo apt install npm and let it install. After installation completes, install StegCloak globally. Type sudo npm install-g StegCloak. This is the tool we will use for our demonstration. Verify it works by typing StegCloak-help. You can see all available commands. The two main commands are hide and reveal. Hide embeds a secret message into cover text. Reveal extracts the hidden message. Let's hide our first secret message. Type StegCloak hide, followed by your secret message in quotes. I am using like, subscribe, share, and hype as my hidden message. Then add your cover text, also in quotes. I am using TechSky, ethical hacking. Finally, add -o, secret.txt, to output the result to a file. Press enter. The tool prompts for a password to protect your hidden message. Enter a strong password. This password is required to reveal the message later, so choose something secure but memorable. The steganography process completes. Your secret message is now embedded invisibly in the cover text and saved to secret.txt. Let's verify the hidden message is truly invisible. Type cat_secret.txt to view the file contents. Look at this carefully. You see TechSky ethical hacking displayed. Just the cover text. Absolutely no sign of the secret message. No extra characters. No strange symbols. Nothing that would make you suspicious. Now let's test if this text behaves normally in real-world scenarios. Open your web browser and paste it into the search box. The TechSky channel appears in the results exactly as you would expect. The text functions perfectly. It has not been corrupted. The search engine reads it as normal text. The meaning is completely intact. Now open secret.txt in a standard text editor. Again, you see only the cover text. The text editor shows no indication that invisible characters exist. This demonstrates the power of text steganography. The cover text looks, reads, and functions exactly like any other text. There is no visual clue that anything is hidden. The invisible zero-width Unicode characters carrying your secret message are imperceptible to human eyes, text editors, search engines, and content filters. Now let's extract the secret message. Type StegCloak reveal-f secret.txt. The -f flag specifies the file containing the steganographic text. Press Enter. The tool prompts for the password. Enter the password you set when hiding the message. If correct, the hidden message reveals itself. There it is. The secret message that was completely invisible moments ago, that survived copying and pasting, that passed through every visual inspection, is now extracted and displayed. Without this specific tool and the correct password, this message would remain hidden forever, completely undetectable in what appears to be ordinary text. If you found this demonstration valuable, hit that like button and hype the video. The complete Lemon RatLab tutorial is available for Master Tier members. Join now to watch it and get new exclusive videos every month. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a security tutorial. Share this with someone who cares about privacy and secure communication. In the comments, tell me what topic I should cover next. Until then, this is TechSky, your ultimate battleground of cybersecurity and ethical hacking.